in shadows, hear the sound of 2 feet. See my car, where my keys, kinda getting spooky.
Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Lizzie and I have a Muse Kits for October 2023. This is an art subscription box from the US. It's a little more on the craft side kind of box. So the supplies in here are quite random and themed. It's basically trying something you haven't tried before, maybe. I cannot wait. I have been trying to avoid spoilers, which is why I am opening this in the middle of the night, because I got an email and I can't check my email until I open the box. What do we have here? Oh my god, it's a fingernail. It's a gummy finger. That is cool. My kid's gonna love that. All right. Ooh. It is a big hefty book. Muse Kits 31 Spooky Art Props. Oh, the sticker is here. Colorista colored pencils, spelled with the UK spelling. Oh my god! Look at that! There are 3 candies here. That is cool. Oh, Sumi ink from Kuretake. I have color pencil lead, pencil, cool. 12 Illustrator Spector Noir markers. And what is this thing? Oh, it is a dip pen, a glass dip pen. I have used this before. So you put the ink in here and it's a very steady thickness the whole way until it's completely empty. This is a plastic. I have glass ones too, but this one's plastic. This is a cool box. All right, so let me put the box to the side. Let's open this up. Come here. All right, the book here. And then all these cool props. And what does it, I have to look in here. Oops. Okay, all about inks. And let's see, pen and ink. This is, it doesn't say what kind of paper this is. But here is all the materials. Quick start. Art prompt, all Halloween stuff. Skill challenge. And all of her cool stuff from a couple months ago. That was mine. This was the graffiti art one. I have so much fun. I'm gonna go let my kid trick or treat, I think.
So you might be wondering, why is there no swatching? Why do I have it like go immediately to the artwork? And what happened was that I recorded the first part when I was feeling great, and then I immediately got sick, and I kind of forgot what happened. I don't know if I just forgot to record the swatching, or like I had it and deleted it by accident, or whatever else. I don't know. I do show the swatching sheet at the very end of the video, so you can see all the different colors. These are alcohol markers that I'm using first, and then I do put some of the colored pencils and the inks on top. I am not very comfortable with alcohol markers. However, I am getting to a point, and it seems like all these subscription boxes are pushing me to a point where I'm getting more and more comfortable with using them. It took me, I think, an hour and a half to draw this. It took a while. But I do like the final result, and I hope you do too. And please like, subscribe, comment below, and thank you for watching.
It's a rainy night coming late out of the dojo. No lights, dark out on the parking lot. Looking for my car, thought I left it here before. Get a feeling that something ain't right. Moving shadows, hear the sound of 2 feet. See my car, where my keys, kinda getting spooky. Oh God, now it's coming from behind. My cell is gone dead as I slowly turn around and oh, oh, suddenly monsters all around me. All I see, 100 ninja zombies. Suddenly monsters all around me. They don't know I'm swinging like Bruce Lee. Bruce Lee, Bruce Lee, Bruce Lee. My heart's beating fast now, I'm about to pass out. Suddenly my brain's letting go and I laugh out loud as my elbows crash into an eyebrow. Thinking what the hell, I'm gonna make it somehow. Run into a closed liquor store, break the window. Grab a bottle of gin, take a swig, oh no. Stepping on a slimy lump and no, they're lurking in the shadows. Suddenly, monsters all around me. All I see, 100 ninja zombies. Suddenly, monsters all around me. They don't know I'm swinging like Bruce Lee. Suddenly, monsters all around me. All I see, 100 ninja zombies. Suddenly, monsters all around me. They don't know that I got it down to an art. Technique is surgical. I'm deadlier than ever. Their status critical. It's just a matter of time. A matter of time. 1, 2, 3 o'clock. Grab my nunchucks, 5, 6 knee kicks. Practice on bricks, heads to the left, heads to the right. Oh, round kicks flying as I fall to the floor. 1, 2, 3 o'clock. Grab my nunchucks, 5, 6 knee kicks. Practice on bricks, heads to the left, heads to the right. Oh, oh, hey, hey. Suddenly, monsters all around me. All I see, 100 ninja zombies. Suddenly, monsters all around me. They don't know I'm swinging like Bruce Lee.
Alright, I am slowing down the video just so you can see this ultimate catastrophe happening in slow motion. Yep, there it goes. there is my cat spilling ink onto my lovely pumpkin patch. And I don't even realize it at first. It's not until a little bit, yep, dip it again, and now I notice, hey, there's ink on my paper, and ink is permanent. How do you get it off? Well, you just gotta go over it. So, just wanted to show you that sometimes accidents happen, not much you can do about it. Just gotta improvise and figure out some way of salvaging the rest of the artwork. And that's what I did. I cleaned up the ink mess. I ended up using the alcohol blender marker on the little spots of ink, and that picked up most of it, and then I used the color pencils to blend it underneath. So it ended up not being that bad, and I like the result. I hope you do too. Let's see. So this bled through slightly, but not much considering how much of the markers I put on here. The paper's pretty thick. So this I really like. I will probably eventually do more of these prompts if I have time, because they're really cool. And I really like this. I kind of want to pull this out and frame it because I really like how this turned out. It's just really pretty. It was fun. It was so fun creating this artwork. For these markers, 2 of the markers were actually, like, they dried up on me, and I don't know if that's because I left the cap on or whatnot. I'll show you, hold on. I actually own these markers already, and 2 of them dried up on me, so I just used my older markers to finish up on this. So I don't think it's the markers that are a problem, because I have no problems with the other markers, which is same exact brand and everything else. I just think that either I got like a faulty marker, or either a faulty marker, or I just left the cap open because I just wasn't paying attention. And my blender's empty, but that's okay. It's just alcohol. These color pencils, okay. I don't really like color pencils, especially the waxy ones. I'm just not a fan of color pencils. They did help here. I'm just not a fan. I need to actually compare color pencils and see what happened. They're decently pigmented at least. I'm just not a fan of color pencils. So whatever. This, a lot of great ink. Where is my other thing? I don't know. I put everything away before I did this part, so then I had to take it all out again. The glass pen, there's a cat that knocked everything over. So this section right here, the glass pen, just one dip created all of this. And the good thing about these glass dip pens is it's always consistent. The line is always consistent. So it's very nice for that. And then you can use a paintbrush and make it thicker or thinner, whatever else. So yes, this is good. The glass pen, wherever the hell I put it, is also good. I own a few of those already. Here it is. I found it. Yep, there it is. Glass pen. This you need to clean out. I need to clean out a little better. That's all right. So as far as the box goes, I am not very excited about this one because I already owned the markers. I don't mind having a duplicate set of the markers. I don't really like color pencils. That's not great. The sketchbook is awesome. Like sketchbooks. The glass pen is really good.
And for anybody who's never tried a glass pen, this is a great opportunity. Ink's always great. So the box overall, I wouldn't buy this one on my own. But for anybody who doesn't have these kind of supplies, I do recommend it. I think the money's there. It's just not my cup of tea. That's all. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. And have a wonderful day. Thank you.